Hello, everyone. This is Tina Kadish tuning in here in this fabulous group, Corporate Entrepreneur Club, amazing community of men and women primarily. However, so I am tuning in to let you know we are 2 days away from Success Incubator Workshop, and registrations are slowly coming in for Saturday. And the Saturday's workshop is going to be virtual only. And I made that change the other day because. Um, I think it'll be being virtual because there's a lot of things going on right now, and I feel that maybe people are uncomfortable coming to live workshops, and maybe people are not ready. But however, with that in mind, this Success Incubator Workshop is the first one that I'm hosting that is based on my 7 steps to thrive in life and business from my book. I've taken my globally known book and transformed it into a workshop. And so I'm going to be diving deep into my 7 steps to achieve freedom. And so who is this workshop for? If you want success in 2022, you want to thrive. There's areas maybe in your life that you're challenged with right now that are holding you back. You might have things in the past that you haven't released yet. You are controlling things and you don't want to let go. And, mindset. There might be some mindset hacks that are going on. And these 7 steps we're going to go through are faith, release, energy, evaluation, determination, optimism, and mindset. So we're going to go deep into each step. How can you achieve success this year? And I know that success is different for everybody. So only you know what are some areas of your life that are holding you back. We're going to have an interactive conversation. This will be on Zoom. I will be streaming from a studio coming in virtually, and it's going to be interactive and it's going to be fun, and it's something that you need to attend if you want to change in your life. And if you're an entrepreneur also, whatever, in life and business, this applies for who wants success, who wants to thrive and really move forward. I was on a call this morning in Clubhouse and we're talking about being limitless. I am limitless. And this is my affirmation today that I'm sharing. But do you have a lid on your life? Like, what are some things that are holding you back? And are you committed or interested? Because it begins with a decision. I tell this to everybody. It begins with a decision, even if it's a small step, but it begins with that. And so I hope to see you on Saturday. It's going to be 1 to 4 on Saturday. And if you register, pay for your ticket, you'll get the Zoom link. You'll also get the workbook. And for those of you also, as my bonus, I'm offering a 1 hour free strategy session with me that we can have a conversation about what are some areas of your life that you're stuck in right now and you need support. You need some strategies, you need some tools. I invite you to come. You owe it to yourself. Enough with the excuses, okay? And let's make it happen, okay? I hope that you will join me on Saturday from 1 to 4 as we go deep into that, into those 7 steps. And we're going to have conversations. We're going to have action steps. You're going to walk away with making changes, but having that action plan. What are you going to do differently so that you can achieve success in 2022 and beyond? We are in the beginning of the year. It's time to take action. So there could be some goals that you have right now and you don't know how you're going to get there, but there could be things that are holding you back. All right. So join me on Saturday, virtual, and I hope to see you. I will put the registration link here in the group, but it is in my group here as an event with all the information as well. So Tina Kadish tuning in here from Life is Ideal. Hope to see you on Saturday. Have a great day and stay warm if you're in Connecticut.